Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to do a quick test on this Tokyo Marine MP7. So we have installed the Nineball Barrel from Nineball, the Serpent Mechanic Flamingo 50-degree bucking. We've got the EagleSix Flat Nub in there, which is the 3mm version, the smaller one. The other one was overhopping. Too much range, first world problems. We also installed the DDC Industries enhanced sear. It's technically a safety sear that's on the right hand side, so that when you have it in this sort of cock state here, you can't accidentally fire it. The problem is obviously as it returns to the home position, sometimes on the TM sear it doesn't quite, especially with tight hop rubbers, go into that full home position, but because of the shortened sear, theoretically it should still allow it to fire. There you go. So yeah, so obviously it sort of resolves a small issue from weak springs that can happen sometimes, or the gun being fairly tight from a new state. And that's from DDC, that particular product. So we just want to demonstrate it working. There you go, it locks out on empty. So we hope you enjoy, and any problems let us know. Thank you.